Welcome to the Fadi factory. There's a lake in Indonesia, and it's one of the most toxic and acidic lakes in the entire world. If you go swimming in this lake, you'll probably die. The reason why this lake is so acidic is because it's located on a volcano that's constantly creating sulfuric acid. At nighttime, people notice that the sulfuric acid burns in a natural blue fire. Because there is a lot of sulfur around here, it means that there is a lot of sulfur mining going on, and unfortunately, these guys only get paid about $5 a day. This is called a razor clam, and this is how they dig in the sand.
You have to come back and get this guy. Very quick, very quick.
I found a YouTuber who knows how to cut plastic using only paper. Here's a mushroom that turns blue when you expose it to oxygen. This is called pervious concrete, and this type of concrete is used to prevent puddles from forming on sidewalks and parking lots. As you can see, this type of concrete allows for water to flow straight through to a drainage system instead of just sitting around and forming puddles. This spoon is made out of gallium, and the melting point for gallium is about 85 degrees, so if you put this spoon in very hot water, it will melt. These flower seeds explode when they come in contact with water.
Oh, damn!
Thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything new, let us know by leaving a like on this video, and subscribe for more videos.